If you're paying for subscriptions you forgot about, this video ends that. Here are 5 free and cheap AI tools that'll save you real money every month. No finance background needed. Most of us don't waste money on purpose. It just leaks. A subscription here, a full price checkout there, a budget we never started. These 5 tools plug those leaks. 4 are free or have a free plan that's genuinely enough. 1 is paid. I'll tell you the exact price when we get there. 2 honest notes first. This is not financial advice. These are tools. You're the judge. Check any suggestion an AI gives you against your own full picture. And most of these connect to your real bank account, so stick to well-known, secure apps. Take a minute to read how each one protects your information. Okay? Tip 1. Stop paying for things you forgot about. The tool is Rocket Money. The free version does this job. You link your bank account, it scans your spending, then it shows every subscription you pay for on one list. That's usually an eye-opener. The streaming service from an old free trial, the app you used twice. When you spot one you don't want, you tap Cancel. Rocket Money handles the awkward part for you. 5 minutes of setup, and a charge you forgot about stops repeating every month. Tip 2. Get honest feedback on your spending. The tool is Cleo, free to start. Cleo is a chat app. It talks like a friend who has seen your bank account. You link your account, then you just ask it questions. How much did I spend on takeout this month? Can I afford this? It answers in plain words. No charts to decode, no spreadsheet to build. It can even be a little cheeky about your habits. That honesty is the point. You can't fix spending you can't see. Ask it one question today. That's the whole first step. Tip 3. Actually stick to a budget. The tool is YNAB. Fair warning, this is the paid one. It costs $14.99 a month, but there's a 34-day free trial, so you can test it before paying anything. Here's the idea. Every dollar gets a job before you spend it. Groceries, rent, fun, savings. The AI fills in your predictable bills each month. You decide once. Then you follow the plan you made. Try the trial for a month. If your money feels calmer, keep it. If not, cancel. No harm done. Tip 4. Get discounts without hunting for them. The tool is Honey. Completely free. It lives in your web browser. You add it once, then you forget it's there. When you buy something online, it wakes up at checkout. It tries every coupon code it knows, automatically. If one works, your price drops right in front of you. It also watches prices on things you want. If something gets cheaper, it tells you. No more searching for promo codes in another tab. Add it to your browser today. It takes a minute, then it quietly does its job. Tip 5. Get a savings plan in one conversation. Use Claude or ChatGPT. Both have free versions. Tell it 3 things: what you earn, what your bills are, what you're saving for. Then ask it to build you a simple monthly plan, or ask where you could cut back. You get a clear answer in seconds. Ask follow-up questions until it fits you. Make it simpler, make it stricter. It's your plan. And remember the rule from the start. You're the judge. Check every suggestion against your real life before you act on it. But as a starting point, it beats a blank page every time. So that's 5. Forgotten subscriptions? Canceled. Honest answers about your spending. A budget you'll actually keep. Discounts that find you. And a savings plan from one conversation. 4 free, 1 paid, with a real trial first. Pick the one that made you nod. Set it up today. If this helped, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. And leave a comment. Tell me which tool you want the full step-by-step on. Now go check your subscriptions. There's probably one hiding in there.